All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Would you look at this? I have a pretty cool one indeed. Lautie is just making something cool, which is called the donut. It's a ring, if you have a small finger, but it's not really a spinner. Right? Not really a haptic. I mean, it's a haptic, it's a spinner, yeah, but it's something in between because it can spin. It makes a ratcheting sound, kind of haptic-y, and only this part over here, over here spins, not over here. So you can just undo like this inner part over here, like so. There you go. I want to show you how it's on the inside. You just hold it like that. You unscrew it all the way, you see? And there's another retainer over here. So that's the mechanism. That's the donut. Love the sprinkles on the top. So you just hold it and just screw it back, right? It's a long thread, but when it reaches the end, pretty much you just hold it like this and you just spin this side over here. So that's and you can go really like very slow. I don't know if the mic will pick up this subtle, safe-like sound, but definitely it's a pleasant one because you can just hold it like this and just spin it with your middle finger. It doesn't spin like as a spinner, you know, like with the middle finger, like all the way, or as I said. This is different. There's only like this part spinning, which is stopping and bouncing off. So it's not like an actual spinner that just spins, right? So anyways, yeah, let's do a size comparison since we are here. Go bigger, Pillbug, T-Max. Let's put all the spinners that are worth mentioning the status of spinner. Why not? Why not? Let's do also like this. Let's do this, guys. And I mean, technically is not a spinner, but actually technically there's a spinner over here, but it's attached to this bad boy over here. Anyways, these are the top spinners around. I mean, this is not a spinner, but anyways, those are. But anyways, that's to show you the size of this little guy that you can easily toss in the pocket. It's like a mini donut, pretty much sized ring, haptic, stress relief, for sure. Fidget toy in zirconium, stainless steel. You're gonna love it. Check it out on fablades.com. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned.